Hi and welcome back to our Facebook page. Look at these sunflowers. Let's make them. We are making flower using yellow craft paper. Make multiple folds from top and bottom like this. Again fold it using your fingers from all its corners. We are making the petals like this. Do it from all its sides. After that we are going to give it shape and paste more shapes together. Then make a stick by rolling green craft paper and paste all of them together, and look, it is ready. Look at these tulip flowers. Let's make them. We are making the flower using red craft paper. Make multiple folds like we are doing here and put it inside like this. After that we are going to open the petals. After that we are going to make a green bunch using a green craft paper like this. Make more such shapes and we are going to put all of them together like we are doing here. Put it and stick it together using glue, and look, it is ready. Now you can put different tulip flowers on it, and how pretty this is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.